advanced learner. The same time in the action taken for the improvement for the slow learner, background of the poor performance and continuous monitoring the performance and counseling special coaching. So the case study just I want to mention here. The identification slow learner in the semester 1. The biology non-CSE background student first we have identified with the CSE faculty members, and semester 2 and 3 also the performance also we are following from the class advisor, and semester 4 to semester 7 number of arrear and class advisor is identified by this slow learner. Then the next stage we are going for the strategic follow for the improvement of the academic performance. Based on this, the 4 strategy, core problem and based, core program based and core interdisciplinary, core theory based and core lab integrated. So like that we have to identify the student and the ACTQ for the more counseling. And the action taken for a slow learner, we have the theory program based, for example is the data structure, the trained number of student 20. So like that we are following one student is the Suhail Khan, is 2014-18 batches at the time of the first year, that is first semester 2.92 GPA, and he is increasing the level is at the time of the 8th semester 7.75. So this type of the approach we are following. Because of the approach only we got the average pass percentage is 95.45. Next one, the student progression in this placement, higher studies and entrepreneur. We have this good placement and higher studies percentage in our CS department. Total number of companies visited 108 and higher package in our 10 lakhs per annum, and that is lowest, that is starting package is 2.5 and LPA. And we have this our fashion to give for these our student higher studies. We have this each and every year minimum 5 student is placed in this our good higher studies for this our standard university.